Gee, are you gonna be in the Ranters box?
Yes, Sunday rant.